Clint Cantwell, editor of Grilling.com, and today we're firing up the grill for some beautiful garlic shrimp. We're going to start by seasoning our shrimp. These are U20s, which means you're getting 20 shrimp to the pound on average. We put them on skewers to make it a little easier to flip them and manage them on the grill. You just want to season up both sides liberally with the lemon pepper. And for the garlic, we're going to add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to our pan, a pinch, which in technical terms is about a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. We'll take both of these over, get them on the grill, and get our garlic shrimp fired up. We're going to let that shrimp cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. So we'll let that cook away. Keep an eye on the garlic and olive oil. You don't want the garlic to burn, otherwise it'll get a very, very unpleasant taste, and we don't want that. We want the nuttiness of the olive oil, the bite of the pepper, and the garlickiness of the garlic to shine through when we toss the shrimp in it after they're done. Okay, so these shrimp have been going for about 5 minutes on that side. They're starting to turn pink, which is a great indicator they're getting done. We'll let them go another 4 to 5 minutes on that side. Garlic, olive oil, and red pepper flakes are smelling delicious. I'm going to go ahead and take that off and put it to the side so it doesn't burn. We'll close this up, let the shrimp finish, and we'll be back in a moment. So the shrimp have been cooking about 5 minutes on both sides. They're looking good, smelling delicious. We've got our garlic, olive oil, and red pepper flakes ready, and we're simply going to slide the shrimp into that mixture, give it a nice toss, and serve it up. See how nice and easy the skewers make managing the shrimp on the grill. You don't have to chase them around with your tongs. They're just ready to come right off and into our flavorful olive oil. All right, our shrimp is looking delicious. Smells wonderful. We're going to get it on a plate, serve it up with a nice wedge of lemon, just to add an extra burst of flavor to the shrimp. Make sure you get all of that garlicky goodness on there. And that is our grilled garlic shrimp. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy it.